Hello guys, this is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida, standing behind a 2024 Sea Ray 270S SDX outboard model. One of the most popular models in the Sea Ray line, certainly one of the best-selling models for us here in Florida. Just a very spacious model, tons of space inside, great weekend boat for the family, going up to the sandbar, entertaining, towing family, friends, kids behind the boat on the skis or wakeboard. So we'll do a quick walk through this boat before I get into it. This boat is specifically outfitted with the Sea Ray blue hull side color, kind of a navy blue, very timeless color that a lot of people really appreciate. And then the upgraded white Mercury 300 V8, extremely powerful engine, very, very quiet, so you can socialize with those inside the boat when you're running and not have to talk over a loud engine. So we'll hop in and do a quick walkthrough. So starting here on the transom of the boat, you'll see a very spacious transom. Although we have an outboard engine on the back, we do have a ton of room back here for getting in and out of the water. And specifically, we have a starboard side ladder for boarding the boat when you're at the those islands or the sandbar. Extremely spacious aft sun pad, so hanging out here at the islands, lounging out, watching the sunset. Very spacious area with a ton of storage down underneath. So as we walk into the boat here, you'll see this boat does have the SeaDek upgrade, so we have SeaDek on the platform, and you'll see this run through the entire boat. Really nice color combination on this boat with the blue sides, gray SeaDek. We call this the Ivory upholstery, which is the pearl white, with the upgraded white sports tower. So as we walk into the boat, the Sea Ray 270 SDX is all about space, entertainment space. We know you guys are going to be out wanting to socialize with family and friends, so we have a very ergonomic setup here, L-style seating, very, very spacious, cup holders down below. We have a table that we can insert here into the cockpit for putting your drinks and hors d'oeuvres on. And then Sea Ray is all about convertibility, so we do have the ability to fold both port and starboard side backrest forward just to expand this social space. Tons of storage throughout. So here on the starboard side we have built-in storage for a cooler, and then over on the port side we have storage for your life jackets, bow filler cushion, whatever else you may be bringing with you. Continue forward to your helm station. We have a flip-up bolster, so if you want to sit up a little higher, get your head up above the windshield, you can, or if you want to sit down a little bit lower, let that windshield do its job and deflect the wind over you, you have that option as well. So we have a Simrad MFD right here in the center. This is 100% touchscreen. This is your do-it-all device when you're out in the water. So chart plotting, sonar, engine data for checking your engine RPMs, fuel, temperatures, everything is through this Simrad MFD. We have your toggle switches, very accessible here in front of you, so all of your lights and pumps are very accessible, including your windlass anchor package up in the bow. Mercury digital throttle and shift, active trim, everything's built in. They put a nice safety mechanism in here to squeeze the control in order to shift, so you don't have to worry about someone walking up and shifting the boat in gear when you're docking the boat. Here on the port side we have a nice access into the head. So you see we have a porcelain head, sink off to the left with some nice storage as well. Up to the spacious bow. The SDX line has more of a squared off bow, so it carries the same beam from the midship all the way up to the bow. What does that do for you? Well, it opens up a whole lot of space up here. So very comfortable seating. You notice you have bolsters that wrap all the way around, so if you want to sit here, face backwards, you can. If you want to sit here and face forward, you have that option as well, with flip down armrests, cup holders down below. Again, we have another option up front for a bow table. So we have your insert here, set up the bow table. When you're not using it, store it down below underneath your starboard side console. And then again, as I touched on earlier, this does have the windlass package. So again, Brian McGlenn here, MarineMax and Stuart, would love to show you this boat in person, or give us a call. Our phone number here at MarineMax Stuart is 772-287-4495. Thank you very much.